Welcome to our van life with our 4 dogs episode 47. We are in Bisbee, Arizona for Weird Wild West with other amazing van lifers where we hung out and toured the area. Join us for more Bisbee adventures. Hey everybody, it's day 2 here at Bisbee. We are making up the usual avocado toast. Got everybody hanging out, doing a little parking lot walking. Getting out for brunch and head over to the main camp and see what's going on over there. We're back at Jonquil Hotel where Scott Watson of Go Small Live Large held a talk about urban camping. Also got free ice cream and checked out EcoFlow's new multi-zone fridge freezer ice maker combo. Had a great time hanging with wonderful YouTube creators.
Oh yeah, literally. I mean, we've had people collapse on stage. Really? Yeah. Under the lights. They're dehydrated.
Okay, Pia, what you doing? Is it all dry? We both showered today. This is day 3 of our trip to Arizona. So we definitely needed a refreshing piece. Pia looks very refreshed and clean, and I feel very refreshed. I just don't look it. And our puppies are next, so we are staying cool. It's a little toasty outside. We're gonna go for a walk, hopefully when it cools down a little bit more. It's about midday. What do you think, Pia?
That sounds good to me.
Okay, what are you doing now? Is it all dry?
Yeah.
Let's see. She's wrapping. Alright, no water, no mold. We have no water in the basin here. Pia has wiped everything down. And we will put the toilet back in there after it's been used. She's snapping here. I was very impressed again with the water, although a little drip will happen. Good water pressure. Definitely stayed hot. Let's take a look at how much water we used after 2 showers. So right now, Pia and I both showered once. We've been using the water sparingly after a fill up, and we're exactly at 50%.
We started, I think, with 70.
Yeah, 70 was our fill. Again, when you do a shower, you just turn on the water pump, the hot water right here through the Volta console is the best way to do it. And the gray tank is at 36%. So that's probably about how much we just showered, because we haven't really been using the sink much on this trip. So 2 showers, 50% to go. If we want to go a little bit further without getting water, we'd be good. And that's day 3, not too shabby. We are currently stationary for the 2nd day in a row. We're a little bit under 50% on our Volta. Hours, we have 73.3 hours, and we just got the fan going right now. No AC, 135 watt power flow, so not bad at all. We should be more than fine. And if we wanted to drive around a little bit to charge up, we could easily do that. Right now we are camping in a parking lot, so very easy to get in and out if we needed to. So now we have gone from shower mode back to storage mode. We have, what do we have in here, Pia?
Bamboo mattress, or a bamboo shower mat. Pneumatic toilet, trash bags, more bags.
Cleaning.
And cleaning supplies.
Okay. Looks good, nice and clean, all dry. I picked up some more sanitary Clorox wipes, so everything's nice and clean. Shower station, toiletry station, extra water. And this will have a little bit of a dry out up here, but we'll close it up, put our toiletries back up there with our little toothpaste toothbrush station, and be ready to roll out tomorrow.
Early. What time are we leaving?
Probably try to get out around 6 to 7 a.m. Oh, Jabba wants to leave at 7, he says. Okay, Jabba.
Hi everyone. We've just been sitting in the van relaxing, and right now we are trying to look for a campground for when we leave Bisbee tomorrow. We are going to be driving about 9 hours before we stop for the night, so we're looking into stopping somewhere along the grapevine in California along I-5. It's currently 85 degrees here in Bisbee. Inside the van it was about 84 degrees, so we had to turn the AC on for a little bit until it cooled down for the dogs. And now we got everything open, even the back and the side windows, and there's Boba. Turned on some of our mini fans just to help cool down the van some more. Sean is booking our campsite for tomorrow night, and then we are gonna go into town and go for a walk and take the dogs out, so we will take you along with us. So Sean and I were talking about what we're gonna do now that we got our campsite booked for tonight, and then I look down and see this beautiful face next to me. This is Boba. She's so cute. She just looks at me with so much love in her eyes. Right now she's a sleepy girl.
Queen, mine, and Bisbee with some cool canyons out this side. So this way goes to New Bisbee, and then back where we are is Old Bisbee. Mining equipment. This is right out of Indiana Jones. Big old mining train. So this is Brewery Gulch. Brewery Gulch. This is supposed to be the most haunted city.
Saturday.
Pub crawl, beheading of Queen of Hearts.
It's all here.
Mm-hmm.
Magic.
This is definitely Old Bisbee. Gym Club Suites. Oh. Art car. Boo-boo. Bubba girl. Boba and Bisbee. Just walked all of Old Bisbee. Pia, is it our last night?
It's so easy to recognize you because you got 4 dogs.
I know. They're like, oh, there's the 4 dog people. Explored the nightlife in Bisbee with friends. Got to hang out with Neil and Britt from YouTube. Thank you guys for saving us a parking spot for the weekend. We can't wait to hang out with you guys again. This is our nighttime chihuahuas. Chewbacca's asleep.